Sending images from gallery to WhatsApp isn't the best way of sharing photos on WhatsApp, because there will be a lot of lost in the image quality, and quality is all what we seek for. So after going through a lot of things on how to share this, I am about to show you how to share WhatsApp photo on your WhatsApp. Stay to the end, don't skip. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the first way is to share from what? From a document. So don't, when you want to share a photo to your friend, don't, when you hit this stuff here, don't share from gallery. No, don't share from gallery, share from document. So once you hit document, you can go further to browse other document. Once you go further and browse other documents, and you hit image, choose any image that you want to share. I want to share that one, and I'll hit send. Once you hit send, you look at the thing has gone and is in a document way. And once you click on this to review the image, look at how it is top notch and the quality has not been tampered with. Try that. Okay, so the second is rename with the file or compress image app. Now the first, rename the file. Go to files, go to download. Now once you're in download, you check any image in which you want to rename from here. Then you hit these three dot up here. Then you hit rename. Then are you seeing where there is PNG? Change that PNG to PDF, and then you click OK. That's it, it has changed to PDF, and you can share from you can share to your friend, or you can go to Google, you can go to Play Store and download compress image. And then you look for any compressed image here, then you use and share. Check that out, guys. Okay, the last is copy link from Google Drive. Now Google Drive has a lot of space in which we can actually do whatever we want from it. Now if you want to share an image that will be very good in quality, go to Google Drive. Now go to these three more options and click the recent. Now once you are in the recent, you see these images and everything. If you want to share any of these images here, you click on this more option on the image, then you copy the link, you go to WhatsApp, you paste the link and send it to your friend. Now if your friend want to view that image, simply click the link and it will take you directly to their photo. So guys, this is the end of the video, and so try all of them and take the one that works for you, and begin to share good and quality image. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Peace.